Alright guys, welcome back, another episode. Here we are, Pauly and I have just launched our local Hillary's Marina. No real plan today, just the weather's looking pretty good, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So on the water this morning and we'll probably be on the water again tomorrow. Plan today, we're going to, well, hopefully catch some fish, but we're going to head wide as the weather is looking pretty good. So we're going to try our luck, see how far we can get, and hopefully get onto some fish. Any fish, doesn't really matter. One thing I want to highlight is a lot of guys have been messaging me feeling a bit flat because they're not catching any fish. I mean, all I can say to that is, you know, you don't need to always go for, you know, the trophy fish. Like, there's so much happiness, pleasure of just going, you know, a little bit inshore, burleying up and going for a skippy sesh, going for some herring, you know, all your bread and butter fish that do taste pretty good if you get them on a good recipe. You know, you don't always have to go for the trophy fish. Don't let a bad day of fishing because you're not catching those trophy fish, you know, deter you from obviously this great hobby, because, you know, fishing is fishing and you got to put the hours in, you got to do what you got to do, keep persisting, and the fish do eventually come. Keep doing the right things and it will happen. I just want to talk about the Nite Track Pro Kit for a little while. Obviously thanks to the guys, Nite Track Australia, Dan, for hooking us up with that. Obviously the Pro Kit you can hook up to your boat and take it off your boat, so it's not actually a permanent solution. It's one solution and one option that they provide. The other option obviously is the permanent marine option. Obviously it's a leader in night vision technology, so if you want to take a look at that, I'll add some clips now into this footage. As you can see the difference between, you know, pitch black night and then when there's a little bit of light, how much it actually lights up the ocean. It's pretty good because you can see the swell, I can see everything, boat's in front of me. As you can see, it's pitch black there now, I can't see nothing. As you can see, the same as me. Put the Nite Track on and you can see that it's literally lit up, so I can see swell, boats in front of me, and everything really. So it's pretty good. I'll roll some of that footage now from a trip we did off Two Rocks. Have a look at that, it's pretty good. If you want to take a look at it or you want more information, I'll put the link to Nite Track Australia down below. But yeah, it's pretty much about it. We're going to punch out and hopefully get onto some fish, so we'll see how we go. Honestly, we're sitting pretty far offshore, but I mean, how's the conditions? Look at it. I mean, this is what dreams are made of. Look at that. It's not a complete glass off, but man, if there was no swell, it would be. It's just absolutely beautiful out here. How is it, Pauly?
Yeah, pretty bloody nice.
Nice, man. We haven't had this in a while, have we?
A bit better than the comp.
Oh yeah, Two Rocks comp. You saw that footage. Woo! That was shocking. Good to have some calm weather, that's for sure. All right, I'm going to scope this ground and see what we got. On! Fish on! Here we go. There's the GoPro there, bro. Yeah! Fish on! What do we have? Just left it in the rod holder. Now let's hope it's not a shark, because, oh please don't be a shark, because Pauly, the third time we've done this. It's been a shark. It's literally hit the bottom, hasn't fought at all, come up, not thinking it's a shark, get up and it's a shark. Quite a view there, Pauly. It's alright, sort that out in a minute. Honestly, what did I say?
Yeah.
No fight. No fight. That is the third time that has happened. What is going on? Oh. That's done. How's that? Again. So the last episode before, just perfect. No runs, no nothing. Sandbar sharks. I am the sandbar shark man. No rays, sharks. So we're going to turn around, go back, try and drift it again. Loves it. That's a shark for sure. What is with the sharks, Pauly?
Yeah, you're loving them. And they love you.
They love me at the moment. Oh, yeah. Bring it up. Because you know what it is. Another shark.
Indeed. Oh yeah. Oh, he's bigger. Where's the eyes? Let's see if that's.
He's bigger.
There's a bigger one.
Look at that. Big boy.
Oi! Really, dude?
Oh, it's lucky that. Where's the oh no. See you, mate. Alright, we've punched it in. So we're obviously on a bit of a time schedule at the moment today because I've got to be somewhere, but I'm coming a bit closer now. You saw it 100 meters of water. Like, you know, it was new ground to us. We thought we'll give it a crack. But as you saw, the shark slayer did some shark slaying. Be careful when you're handling the sharks. Obviously, their teeth, yeah, a bit nasty, a bit nasty. That's why it's lens. Hang on a sec. Yeah, so watch their teeth if you're handling the sharks. You saw I was using the gaff. Try and get him in the mouth if you can. Obviously, no one likes to gaff a fish when they're releasing it, but I want my Vex bottom meats back, so had to be done. But they all swam back anyway, and sharks will heal pretty quick, so I'm not too fussed about it, to be honest. But we're gonna set up. I'm gonna try Vexed first, see if there's anything big around, and then from there I'm going to chuck on a paternoster on a 30-pound line, something nice and light, because you don't always have to catch the big monster fish to have a good time. lighten it up a bit, get your light gear out, and you can have a bucket load of fun. Find some ground, go inshore, whatever. But catching any fish is a good day. So yeah, let's see how we go. Oh, straight on. Come on again. Oh, yep, straight on. How good's that? Oh, that's a better. Oh, that's a better one. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a better fish. Oh, there's something to be said about light gear, paternoster rigs. If that is not a skippy, that's probably, if it's not a skippy, it's going to be a pink. That's awesome. Just shows when you're catching fish, it's a good day. Oh, big skip. Big skip. Look at that. That is a nice skippy. We'll get him out and we'll have a look. That is a nice skippy, bro. You want it? Yeah. Look at it. How's the skippy? Such a good size, eh? Good fight. Could be coming home. Paternosters doing the damage out here. Bottom, straight away. There it is, there it is. Oh, fish on. Look up. Oh, yeah, fish on. Woo! How good is that? Oh, that is so fun. Yes. Oh, that is so good. So good. Light gear fishing, Pauly. How fun is it? Look at it. Pauly Skippy. Guess we'll get a nice feed Skippy today. Hey. Spot generally does pretty good for us. Caught multiple fish here, Skippy, Pinky, Baldy, Dewey. There it is, and another. And they're not small skippy, Pauly. They're decent, and look at the size of it. Awesome. Oh, that'll be a good feed, Pauly. Indeed.
Alright, grunter.
Grunter, grunter. Yes. Good old skip. Good fun. Good fun. That was a good hit. Big skip?
Yeah.
Big skip.
Hopefully big pinky.
Got a fish on mine, I'm just leaving it there. Oh, that's a decent size skip. Alright, let's get it up. Oh, does it get bigger? Love it. Oh, I love light gear fishing. Oh. There he is. Hooked perfectly. There you go. Another one. Good sized. too. Horse skippy, horse. Probably not the 100-meter horse skippy that catch when we go well offshore, but I mean, that is a fine. I mean, dude, look at it. It's chunky, chunky skippy. Good hit. Good hit, eh? They fight so good, so much fun to be had. Well, that's us back at the marina. As you can see, not every time you go out you can catch the trophy fish. So I just wanted to highlight that. As you saw, we went pretty far. We've done what? We've done 58 miles so far. So we've done a fair few miles. Nice little session on Skippy there. Always good fun on light gear. So if you want a bit of fun, get the light gear out. Go for some Skippy, because their fight that they give is so good. So much fun. But yeah, it was obviously the shark slayer today, but anyways, that's it. If you like this episode, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.